Here's the app called Moggr, Haircut, and LooksMax AI. So this app is, it's getting in popularity. It's alternative to UMax, to Looks. It's like another LooksMaxXIng app where you can analyze your hairline, but also you can basically analyze your whole face in this LooksMaxXIng trend, and then you just upload in your photos, and then you can try to scan your face. So for example, let's see how it works. So I just use this and try to scan my face, and then it just says, get your results, you need to upgrade $5 per week, alternate options, referral to people, and then you will get one scan. So you can see here, that's my code. Feel free to use my code. And then, let's see if I have this option. So it still asks me to upgrade for $5. It means I didn't yet referred people. So that's just how you can, and then you can just add your username, or just add your Instagram username. But that's the app. And just again, if you refer people, you will get a free scan. And in UMax app, you need to refer 3 people. In this app, you need to refer just 2 people. And then also you can analyze face shape, face symmetry, eye shape. So for example, here, let's just take a look. Okay, so I can just choose this, and then I can try to scan face. Because I already have 150 coins, so seems I just did like one free referral. Okay, so seems it still wants me to upgrade. Anyhow, so that's just what you have here. So there it is.